Good morning, children. Myself, Rajesh Dikruz. I welcome you to the e-learning classes provided by St. Michael's Academy, Betia. Okay, children. So we are having Geography Standard 7, Lesson 4. Topic: the air around us. And already we have completed video first and second. Today we'll have third video. This is part 3 of this lesson. So let's have the next topic. Okay, children, so we are talking about the layers. There are 5 layers. The first layer is troposphere, which I have already learned. Second layer is stratosphere. About this layer also we have learned, and today we'll see mesosphere. The mesosphere extends to the height of about 80 km on the average. Temperature decreases with the height in this layer and falls the temperature minus 100 degrees Celsius. Above the mesosphere there is mesopause. The mesosphere has high clouds that shines at night. They are formed due to the presence of cosmic dust. Also, in this layer only meteors burns. This burns because of some frictions of the presence of some oxygen and air resistance. Most of these rocks from space turn to dust or burn before reaching the Earth's surface. Okay, now the next layer is thermosphere. This layer extends from 80 km to 500 km and lies above the mesosphere. The ionosphere, as its lower part, has electricity charged particles called ions. Radio waves transmitted from the earth are reflected back to the earth by this layer. Also, this facilitates long distance wireless and satellites communications. Children, in the upper part of this layer, temperature begins to rise, and it rises rapidly up to the 1480 degrees Celsius. This is because gaseous molecules observe the X-ray and short waves ultraviolet rays of the sun. Also, this is very important that this layer protects us from meteoric showers, because at such high temperature most substances burn out. Okay, now the uppermost layer beyond the ionosphere, which is up to the 1600 km, is known as exosphere. It does not have any defined border to the inner planetary space. Okay, children, now we will see the importance of the atmosphere. The atmosphere is very useful to us in the following ways. First, it is essential for both plants and animals' life because it contains most important gas which is required by these living organisms. Second, weather phenomena occur in this layer, and this takes place due to the presence of dust particles and water vapor which are present in the atmosphere. Third, the atmosphere regulates the air temperature on the earth, and because of it the air neither becomes too hot nor too cold, and life becomes possible on this earth. 4. The ozone layer is found in the upper stratosphere, which protect us from the harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun, and our skin doesn't catch the skin cancer. 5th, the ionosphere reflects radio waves transmitted from the earth, and due to this, the radio broadcasting is possible. And the last benefit of this atmosphere is that sound travel through it, and because of this atmosphere only we people are able to hear each other. Okay children, so this is the end of this lessons. Again we will meet in the next video with the exercise, question answers. Children, if you have completed the question answers with the objectives, the lesson we have learned, please submit the copy for the correction in the schools. And again you can take the copy just after a week from the day you have submitted. Thank you very much for watching the videos. Please, if you like my video, please like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you. Bye bye.